Hi everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome to Exploration Theme Parks. And today I'm at Knott's Berry Farm on a cool day in December. Let's go. All right, just parked at Knott's Berry Farm on a Sunday in December. It's currently 9:10 in the morning. Hoping it's not too crowded this morning. Parking lot isn't crowded yet, obviously. I'm here pretty early. But I think they usually open up the front gate around 9:30 and you can get in line for Ghostrider early, so let's go. And I just realized that I haven't been to Knott's Berry Farm in like 3.5 months. I didn't realize it was that long. Let's go. Oh, and I love rounding the corner and seeing Ghostrider. Love how it goes over the road right here. Oh, it's so good. All right, we just made it into the park at 9:30. I'm gonna head to Ghostrider. Let's go. Here we go. Yeah, they usually open Ghostrider early, and this one will get the longest line of the day. But it's definitely the best coaster here. Into the cattle pens. Alright, just got off of Ghostrider. What a way to start the day. Ghostrider is a world-class wind roller coaster. It's so good. Flies through the layout. Even on like a cool morning Sunday in December, it still flies. Lots of laterals, great air time. And that ending helix is so good. Yeah, I love Ghostrider. And of course, look at the line already. All the way out here. Crazy. So I think I'm gonna try to get in line for Silver Bullet, because last time I was here it was closed for the entire day, but they haven't opened the rest of the park yet, so we gotta wait. Alright, it's open. They just played the national anthem. Chaos, chaos, chaos. We got runners to Silver Bullet. Alright, we made it. They haven't opened up the queue yet.
back, hold on tight, and enjoy your ride.
Okay, so the way you keep
Waited like 2 minutes for Silver Bullet. I always say it, it's an underrated B&M invert coaster. Very, very smooth, no head banging whatsoever. Great elements, love the Cobra roll, love the corkscrews. Yeah, it's a good B&M invert for sure. All right, so I think I'm gonna go on Pony Express because it's been a while. It usually has a slow moving line, but I'm gonna do it. Let's go. Love all the Christmas decorations up around the park, especially in Ghost Town. Oh, hello there. It's like cool today, but it's actually nice out. Like it feels good because it's about to be Christmas. And I know we're in SoCal. Oh look, bubbles. Sorry, I got sidetracked by bubbles. Big ornaments. Poinsettias. Yeah, Ghost Town is awesome. Ooh, look at those wood carvings. That is epic. Oh, I was like, what is this line for? Santa's Christmas cabin. Though I really want to see Santa, I don't think I will today. Looks like it's gonna be a little wait for Pony Express. But we're here, let's go get in line. Oh, I just saw an advertisement for, relaunching 2025 is Montezooma. That's the first time I heard or saw like an official thing on it. That is exciting, we'll talk about it later. Ooh, bummer, it looks like Pony Express is only running one train. Yikes. Oh well, I'm already here. Waited about 13 minutes for Pony Express. Actually not bad since it's only running on one train. They were actually pumping it out. But yeah, it's definitely a family ride. And I mean, it's got the nice gimmick of riding a pony manufactured by Zamperla. Very mild coaster, short. But I mean, it can get a pretty long wait and it can be a slow moving line. So I was actually pleasantly surprised that the line was moving pretty quick for one train. And we're by the bumper cars and Knott's Berry Tales. And there's hang time. And we have a nice picture op in the back. Pretty cool. Yeah, I love all the Christmas decorations. Probably looks pretty nice lit up at night, but unfortunately I'm not gonna be here that long today. Look at this fountain though, that's pretty cool. Accelerator going over there. The infamous ghostrider that's taking up some prime real estate over here. Let's go see what the line for hang time looks like. It says a 5-minute wait. Let's go see.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy your 150-foot drop from the top.
I love it. Honestly, they maybe choose one of you to keep alive in there. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. But that's true. Though.
Actually, I don't know if that's how it works. Yeah. It's like, no, half an hour.
All right, waited about 10 minutes for hang time. Not bad at all. Got a front row ride. Super silky smooth in the front. No rattle at all. Great hang time, of course. And of course, that pop of airtime on that little airtime hill at the end. Good ride, good Gerstlauer. And even better that I didn't have to wait that long. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get in line for Accelerator while I am over here. Let's go get launched out of the station, shall we? All right, made it to Accelerator with the huge Christmas wreath. Let's go. This train looks like it's seen better days. I waited about 20-ish minutes for Accelerator. I hope they never get rid of it. It's the perfect coaster for this spot of the park. That launch just out of the station is just absolutely insane. And I had a great conversation with some fellow enthusiasts. I caught him wearing an IAPA shirt, so they travel all around the world going on coasters, which is my dream. So yeah, that was a great conversation and great ride on Accelerator. Alright, looks like I'm getting in line for ghostrider. Why do I do this to myself? Uh-oh, no signal.
Here, Knott's very farm, thank you. Por favor, guarda los teléfonos.
Alright, waited about 15 minutes for ghostrider. That ride is just so uncomfortable, it's ridiculous. It's just, those shin guards restraints are just not, it's just, and the ride just isn't, it doesn't do anything really. Like, it's gotta go. It should go. Replace it with something else, anything. I love Knott's Berry Farm. It's just so lively. It's got a great environment, great vibes. It's got a little more theming than, like, you know, your normal like Six Flags park. Obviously this was a Cedar Fair park before it merged, but again, I think ghostrider needs to go. It's just not good. Got some Creed and Scream going, ghostrider. Got the log ride. Yeah, Knott's Berry Farm has a lot of good rides. It's a, you know, smaller park, but it's run very well. Like I said, the vibes are awesome at this park. Just crossed the train tracks into Fiesta Village. And of course, you got the mighty Jaguar in Fiesta Village. Oh yeah, Zier with the longest trains in the industry. And then you got Soul Spin that made national news not too long ago, where people got stuck on the ride for a while. And it's closed. There's one of the spikes where it should be on Montezooma's Revenge under the tarp. And what I was going to say is I haven't heard any updates on Montezuma's. But when I was in line for Pony Express, they had an advertisement saying that it's supposed to open in 2025. We got the tarp right here. Still missing a bunch of track. Here's the station. And there's the other spike down that way, all under tarps. know. Not much you can see. It's all like covered up. I really hope it's gonna open next year. That'd be awesome. Cause the project stalled for a while. I think there was a battle with whatever manufacturer was taking on the project, and we really haven't heard any updates. So I don't know. Time will tell, obviously. Yep.
I thought it was that one.
All under scaffolding and a tarp. Montezooma's revenge. Some track right there. And we made our way to Camp Snoopy, which usually has a good crowd going on. Got a lot of good rides here for the kiddos. It's a very nice kiddie section at the park. You got the new Snoopy's tenderloin twister. I'm just kidding, it's not tenderloin, but it is a long name. It's actually a pretty decent kiddie coaster. It's actually got a little drive tire launch section on it, but I will not be riding that today. But yeah, Camp Snoopy's going off today. And look at this. This is an ode to one of their old rides they took out. It's now a game. They had it was a really little kiddie ride where you like pump the carts. And I think they took it out mainly because literally only tiny kids could ride it. The Beagle Express Railroad has a decent line over here. Yeah, it goes all the way down here. Still got some construction walls up over there in Camp Snoopy. But yeah, this is appears to be where the crowds are right now. We got a little Snoopy meet and greet over here as well. All right, so that's gonna do it for my day at Knott's Berry Farm. Had a blast, got on a bunch of coasters. Beautiful weather, nice cool day in December. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. And remember, never stop exploring theme parks.